Female number 246, Kim.
Linedancequeen!
362, Jessie Fientzweit. Number 62, Sabine Hutschmann. And number 59, Violetta Schlemmer. Alright, ladies, please get ready one more time for your final dance of the session. And give it your all. DJ music, please. Yes, give it up for these dancers and their Showdance. That was a show indeed. Well, the dancers, the judges are ready, so you may leave the dance floor and take a well-deserved break. Of course, we're gonna put our hands together one more time for Hyun, Edita, Leslie, Sabine,